Hello guys, welcome back to this concept-based YouTube channel. I hope everyone is well. Today we will solve class 9 maths problem exercise 2.5 question number 16. Yesterday we did question number 14 as well as question number 15, and today, as we can see the question, today we'll do question number 16, which is the end for this exercise, as well as it is the question which is in the end of this chapter, which is chapter number 2 of polynomial. Now let us move to the question. Here, as we can see the question, what are the possible expression for the dimensions of the cuboid whose volume are given below, right? Here we are given the volumes of the cuboid, right? It's of this Roman number 1 and 2, and from this we have to take it out the dimension. If it talks about dimensions, simply it means that it is length, breadth and height. Alright, in each of this Roman number 1 and 2 we have to take it out that, and after we take it out, that will be the answer for this. Clear? Let us move to the first Roman number, which is volume is given as 3x squared minus 12x. Without delaying much time, let us begin the first Roman number. To begin with, we have to write solution and given. What it is given? It is volume. Let us write the other one. It is 3x squared minus 12x. And one thing I would like to add, it is some viewers may say that why you did it little bit lengthy. Then the answer is simple. I did it because all the students may not be same, or all the viewers may not be same. Some of the viewers or students can understand it by using the short step that we can do it even now, but some students may be lower than that. For those, it will be quite difficult for them to understand this. In order to quench, or in order to wipe out all this thing, I just did it in some lengthy mode so that each and every one of us who are viewing these videos can understand it better. Right? That's the reason why I did it a little bit lengthy. Here we have volume, which is 3x squared minus 12x. Now, in order to take it out the dimension, which is length, breadth and height, how should we do? It is simply to factorize this. You write it here. Therefore, what is this? 3x squared minus 12x. And let us write this again. If you can take common, then you try to take it now. Here we have x. It is x. And what is this? X squared. 3x times of x will give you 3x squared minus. Here it is minus. We have to take minus here. And 3 how many times? 3x how many times should it be in order to get 12? It is 3x times of 4. If you multiply with this, then it will get 12x. Clear? Actually, the question is to find out length, breadth and height. In order to get all these three, just separate it by putting some multiplications in between these three. It will be like this. Now this is length, and this is breadth, and this is height. After we multiply this, we got this one, which is the volume of this. You write it 1 possible answer is, what is this? First we have length. Let us write the other one. If it talks about dimension, don't confuse. It is length, breadth and height. Length is 3, and after that what it is given to us, it is breadth. Breadth is how much? It is x. And then height, what is that? It is h will be equal to x minus 4. This is all the things that the question has access to find out from this Roman number 1. Is it clear to all of you? Then let us move to this Roman number 2. First, let us write it solution. And here, what is this? We have this volume. Let us write it same as the one that we did in Roman number 1. It is 12ky square plus 8ky minus 28k. Clear? Then let us take this one. It will be 12ky square plus 8ky minus 28k. Then from this, whatever common that you can try to take it out from this. If you take 4 times 3 will give you 12, and 4 times 2 will give you 8, and 4 times 7 will give you 28. That means we can take 4 as the common. Now we'll take it that 4k. 4 times 3 will give you 12, and k, no need to write it anymore because here already k is there. It will be y square. And then 4 times 2. 4k times 2 will give you how much? It will be 8. And if you add this, 4k times of 2y will give you 8ky, right? And move to this 4k. How many numbers should you multiply here in order to get 28k? 4k times of 7. If you multiply this, then it will get 28k. Clear? Then, though we find it up to this, but we need some more step in order to reach the right answer. Now we'll try to split this. In order to split this, first of all, you take common. 7 times 3, how much? It is 21, right? It will be 21. Now, the thing is that in order to split like this, you have to take LCM. 3 times of 7 will give you how much? 21, right? And what is this? We have 2. Now in order to get this 2, what should you do? How should you do? Sorry, it should be 20. It should be 20. Now let us try to take common. 4 times 3 will give you 12, and 4 times 2 it is right, and 4k times 5. It will be 5. If it is 5, then it is 20k. Then 5 times 3 will give you how much? 15, right? And 3 times 5, you multiply this, then it will get 15. That means in order to split this, you have to multiply it, this number and this, and after you got whatever number, you have to take it LCM again, and by using this sign, whatever values that you get it, or you use it in finding this, you have to arrange it by using this. Then in order to get this, you made it and keep it as it is. Then that's it. It will be 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 will give you 2, and 5 times 3 will give you 15, right? Then it will be y. And what is this? It is 5. Then 4k, what is this? 3y square, plus into plus is plus. 5 into y will give you 5y. 3 times of y will give you 3y, right? And here we have 5. 4k. Now whatever common that you can take, try to take it out from this. Here it is y. Let us try to take that 3y. Y times of 3y will give you 3y square, and a y times of 5 will give you 5y, right? And here it is minus. Other than the 1, there is no number that we can take common out of these two. In case of that, you have to take it 1. 1 times of 2y will give you 2y, minus into plus will give you minus. Here we have minus. In order to get that, just change it what sign that you put here. Should you put here? It is minus into plus. If you put plus, minus into plus will give you minus, and that's it. Here it will be 5, right? Now 4k, and then what is this? Whatever it is inside the first bracket, take it first. And then what is that? It is y minus 1, right? Is it clear up to this? Check it. Clear? If it is clear, then one possible, actually the question has access possible expression. Here we have to write possible. One possible answer is, what is that? It is length. Length is how much? It is 4k. And breadth. Breadth B, what is that? It is 3y plus 5. Right? And height. What is this? It is y minus 1. This is all the things which the question has access to get in this. And after we find this is all about the question. And that's all. Guys, you may find difficulties in understanding this. In case, if it is, then please mention below in the comment section, right? This is all about the question that we'll solve today. And I really thanks to all of my viewers who are viewing my videos, and hopefully these videos will help you in understanding or in order to overcome all your difficulties that you face in solving some maths problem. And I wish you all the best, and hopefully we'll see in the next videos. Today, that's all. Thank you.